Everybody, welcome to Colville Toyota. And just to let you know, we got cars. We got SUVs and we got trucks. Lots and lots. Some that just came in. So here's some that just came in. Still getting ready to go through processing. So you can see that one's got some white on top. That's the protective coatings for when they're traveling. But here we go. Check out all these trucks. Tacomas, got Tundras, got a really cool 4Runner in my favorite blue over there. Even got a Tacoma in that pretty blue. Yeah, coming on down. Lots and lots of colors. Tundras. Little something for everybody, as you can see. Lots and lots of trucks. And then we'll take a little pop through here. As you can see, we got a really nice selection of some RAV4s. Down over here, we got some Camrys. Corollas, got a Sienna. A couple of Priuses going on over here as well. And come up over here. Got a BZ, a couple of BZs going on. Those are the plug-ins. And those are really cool. Yeah, lots and lots of cars. Yeah. These are the Crown Signias. They replaced the Toyota Venzas. Some more trucks. Lots and lots of trucks. There's a Highlander. There's a really sweet TRD Pro. I like that. And some Sienna. This one's in this really, really cool looking blue. It's like a midnight blue. Sparkly. And then another Tacoma. There's a couple of cars that are on their way out the door. But yeah, so if you are looking for a Toyota, this is the place to go. We got a little something for everybody. There's a lot of